In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete FreeReels account. First of all, open the FreeReels application. You can see over here I've opened it. So if you want to delete the account, tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right over here at second last, you'll be able to find this option for settings. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option account deletion that you can see at fifth. Now you'll be able to see the informations that will be deleted from your account. Make sure to read this information very carefully. Now check on this option I understand and accept the risks associated with deleting my account. Now tap on this option delete account. Now you'll have to confirm the deletion. Tap on this option confirm. Now you can see over here your account deletion is completed. Now you'll be logged out of your account and your account will be deleted. So that is how you delete FreeReels account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.